Hello, this is Mark from Bailey Software. This will be a quick tutorial to show how you can merge two investments in Fund Manager. If you somehow end up with two investments for the same security and you would like to merge them, you can transfer all the transactions from one investment to the other and then close the first investment. You can do all of this in the data register. In this example, you can see we have two investments for IBM. One has 30 shares and one has 50. We're going to transfer these 30 shares to this IBM so that this IBM has all of the shares. To do this, open up the source investment in the data register. Make sure you're under the data type of all transactions so that you can see all your transactions. To highlight all the transactions, click on the first transaction, hold down the Shift key, and click on the bottom one to highlight everything in between. And then right mouse click and choose Copy. Now you can switch over to the other IBM investment and right mouse click anywhere in the list and choose Paste. When you do that, it's going to ask you for confirmation and tell you what you're about to paste. We're pasting 3 transactions from one IBM investment to another IBM investment. And we don't want to record corresponding entries in this example because we already have our cash account entries. So we'll just leave that unchecked and then press OK to confirm our paste, and you can see that the 3 transactions were pasted and that our destination IBM investment now has all 80 shares. In addition to transferring transactions, you can also use this same technique to transfer prices. So we'll switch the data type to prices. You might want to do this if one of your investments happens to have more historical pricing data than the other. If they both have the same amount, it's not necessary, but we'll show how to do this by selecting all the prices the same way we did before with transactions, but this time with prices. And we can use the More button down here also and say Copy. It's just another way to get to the Copy command. And then switch over to your destination IBM, and we'll say Paste. Yes, we want to paste 1,700 prices. And that's it. We've transferred all of the transactions and also closing prices. And you can see now we have 80 shares here. So the only thing remaining to do is close this. So just right mouse click on the source investment and say Close. Confirm that you want to close it. And now you have all of your 80 shares in a single IBM investment. Thanks for watching.